الذي آتاكم للمتقين الله.
My friend, congratulations.
Kenyans have a right to hold you to scrutiny. That is the nature of democracy. Therefore, all of us, every public servant, every state officer, must be ready and must be willing to robustly stand up to scrutiny in whatever we do, the decisions we make, whatever we say, and in the discharge of the responsibilities that have been bestowed on us.